When you're in a trade, how often should you check your position? I say 2 times a day. Do not sit there and nurse that trade constantly, because you will literally overthink what you are doing. Now, the good thing about our training is that, of course, you set up your profit and loss bands, you monitor things, you pay attention to how the trade is going, but you only do it twice a day. Why twice a day, and when twice a day? Typically for me, the win portion is after idiot hour, so sometime after 10:30, I typically around 11:30, something like that, before half the day's over. And then again in the afternoon around 3:30, something like that. And I make my decision whether to stay in a trade, pull it, whatever there is to do. Let it continue to ride, and make a note in my trade worksheet to check it again tomorrow. Why in the world, would you let trading take over your life? That's not what we're about. We're about making decisions based upon trends. They don't go in your direction, then you pull it based upon the system that you have set up for doing that. And we have a great one. I'm going to actually attach both the videos that explain using the average true range and our success plan, where you literally just have to be successful 4 out of 10 trades. It shows you the math in order to make all of this work. So pay attention, not too much. Do the work the plan, and it will work for you. And this is how you prove it to yourself. Each and every day, 10 to 15 minutes, you practice trade until you get good at this. Never, ever consider putting any money in until you actually know what you're doing. We don't give advice here on actual trading. Remember, we're an education and training platform. We want you to learn everything, and once you think you're starting to get good, that's when you start doing not just your practice trading, but your fractional trading, buying maybe 1 share, maybe 1 contract, and seeing how you do with real money. That's how you learn how to enter trades, how to exit trades. And if you're only trading with $100 and you lose 5%, again, you've not lost much. You've lost $5, okay? So that is the way we do it. That is how we do it. That is why we do it. And you'll develop the great habits of only looking at that trade twice a day, not letting it overwhelm you or overwork you. And you won't be overthinking things and making those mistakes. God bless. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World Headquarters.